Welcome to Ethereal. This is your sacred space to manifest your glow, your beauty, and your timeless radiance. Today we'll focus on powerful affirmations and subliminals that help you age backwards, restoring youthful energy, vibrant skin, and the glow that never fades. Close your eyes. Breathe in deeply. With every breath, release doubt, release fear, release any negative beliefs about aging. Feel your body relax. Feel your heart open. You are safe, you are beautiful, and you are ready to step into your ageless radiance. Now, allow these affirmations to sink deeply into your subconscious. Repeat them silently or simply listen and allow them to become your truth. I radiate timeless beauty. My inner light shines brighter every day. I am confident in my natural glow. My beauty grows as I embrace self-love. I attract positive energy effortlessly. I love and accept myself fully. My confidence makes me magnetic. I embody grace, elegance, and charm. My presence is powerful and radiant. I glow from within. Every cell in my body vibrates with youth. I feel more alive with each passing day. My energy is limitless and vibrant. I radiate vitality and joy. My body regenerates naturally and beautifully. I attract health and vitality with ease. My skin, hair, and body thrive with youthful energy. I feel youthful, fresh, and alive. My spirit is forever young. I carry youthful energy everywhere I go. My skin glows with health and radiance. My complexion is luminous and even. I am grateful for my naturally glowing skin. My skin becomes clearer and brighter each day. I radiate an effortless glow. I look younger and fresher every day. My natural beauty shines through, effortlessly. My skin regenerates with ease. I am grateful for my flawless complexion. My glow is magnetic. I believe in eternal beauty. Age is just a number, and I feel limitless. My mind is sharp, fresh, and youthful. I embrace every stage of life with joy. My body and mind stay youthful together. I look younger than my age. My thoughts keep me young and radiant. My beauty is timeless. Every day I feel lighter, brighter, and younger. I embrace the beauty of being ageless. My body heals itself naturally. Every cell in my body is healthy and vibrant. I nourish my body with love and care. My body supports my youthful glow. I am grateful for my strong, healthy body. I feel balanced, grounded, and whole. My skin heals quickly and beautifully. My body thrives in perfect health. I am aligned with wellness and vitality. My health radiates beauty. I radiate divine feminine energy. My beauty is magnetic and irresistible. I embody grace and elegance naturally. I feel beautiful, vibrant, and radiant. My energy attracts love and admiration. I glow with confidence and charm. I am magnetic inside and out. My beauty lights up every room I enter. I attract compliments easily. My radiance is undeniable. I feel at peace with myself. My heart radiates love and warmth. I deserve to feel radiant and confident. I release all insecurities with ease. My self-love makes me more beautiful. I radiate happiness and joy. I am worthy of admiration. I shine with authentic beauty. My energy uplifts those around me. I feel beautiful in my own skin. I attract abundance and joy. My aura is magnetic and glowing. I radiate elegance in every way. I attract positive people and experiences. I embody the beauty of timeless radiance. My youthful glow is effortless. My aura shines brighter every day. I am admired for my confidence and beauty. I manifest radiant energy effortlessly. I shine with inner peace and outer glow. My beauty upgrades daily. My youthfulness increases effortlessly. My glow grows stronger every day. My face radiates health and vitality. My beauty transforms rapidly. I look and feel younger each morning. My glow is unstoppable. I embody my best, most radiant self. My beauty and confidence expand daily. I manifest youthful beauty with ease. My beauty is timeless and eternal. I embody ageless radiance. My spirit glows brighter with age. I feel more confident as time passes. I am proud of my radiant self. I radiate eternal beauty effortlessly. My glow is infinite. I am forever radiant, forever young. My beauty transcends time. I am the definition of ageless radiance. Take a deep breath and smile. These affirmations are now deeply rooted in your subconscious, supporting your journey toward timeless beauty and youthful energy. Remember, you are radiant, you are magnetic, and your beauty is eternal. Listen to this subliminal daily for 21 days. And pay attention to the changes you notice in your glow, energy, confidence, or how youthful you feel. Comment below and share what you're noticing. Every small change you observe reinforces your ageless radiance and inspires others on their journey. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ethereal for more affirmations, subliminals, and glow-up manifestations. Until next time, stay radiant, stay timeless, and stay you.